one. What do you think the main aims of cooking and nutrition are? What are the main aims of the content there? Is it life skills that we're wanting to teach them? Is it, to increase a passion of cooking and nutrition? What would you say the main aims are?
I think it's both, but I do think at the end of the day that being able to understand where food comes from, how food is produced, how it arrives at market, which is another important thing, because you've got the whole thing about transport and the whole thing about avocados, for instance. How much water do they use in actually growing them in countries that are suffering from water shortages to allow some people avocado toast? I think sometimes that's a little bit ignored. So there's that responsibility of food producers that kids need to know about, students need to know about. But also it's about health, because one of the other situations that we're facing is a massive increase in obesity. So if we're teaching the principles of healthy cooking, healthy food and healthy foods, surely that's a win. Surely, society will gain from that. But if all we're doing is making pizzas, it's probably not good. I've seen good examples of food in schools, but I've also seen colour by number food as well, where the process has gone through, and it's like the bookends you were talking about. The kids are not going to take it home. You want students to take things home that they've made, so that the family or whoever they live with can sit round and enjoy the end product. But it's quick, isn't it? It's not like making a project in 6 weeks.